how to see old Google Maps satellite images. In this video, I'll show you how to see old Google Maps satellite images. So to view old satellite images on Google Maps, you'll need to use Google Earth Pro, which offers a dedicated historical imagery feature. You can also use the Google Maps onto your device. So for me, I will use my PC to access Google Maps. So go ahead and open Google Maps into your preferred device. And then in here, go ahead and select an area where you want to view an historical or old image from. So for example, I want to view the old image of this road. I'll simply drag this human icon at the bottom right of my screen and then put that into that area. And then I'll be able to find the street view of this area. Now, if the street view of the area if the old images of the street view of this area is available, you'll actually find an option such as a date in the bottom left of your screen to view it yourself. So as you can see, this doesn't have an old image. So let's look for areas where we can find an old image. So go ahead and drag your mouse to those areas. So as you can see at the top left of your screen, you'll be able to find the month and the year when this was captured. So if there was an old version of this, you can actually find it at the bottom left of your screen. But since I believe this area don't have an old version in the past, that might be the reason why we can't find an old image version of such areas. And that is how you can basically see old Google Maps satellite images.